Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. I a new mobile phone last week. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. He cricket now. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. The flowers beautifully. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. The train at 7:00 sharp. Option D is the correct answer. Question 5. She never late for class. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. They'd gone to the market. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. What time the meeting start? Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. We planning a trip next month. Option D is the correct answer. Question 9. He worked in this company for 10 years. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. She a beautiful song. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. Why you crying? Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. They happy to see us. Option D is the correct answer. Question 13. My friend very kind. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. You finish your homework now. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. I just finished the task. Option A is the correct answer.